We're just gonna follow all the tourists. Excuse me, just a couple of tourists coming through. Sorry. There's the temple.
It does exist.
What's good everybody, it's Max and Kim. Today we are in the beautiful Canggu. We've moved up here from Jimbaran Beach, and today what are we doing, Kim?
We're gonna go to Tanah temple. This is the temple that we wanted to visit over a year ago. Max also thought we went to it earlier when we were in Uluwatu, but today we're gonna go to Tanah.
Let's go!
Well guys, it's about a 20-minute ride from Canggu on a scooter to Tanah temple, which I think is where we are.
It was 60,000 rupiah per adult, or $6 Australian, and then you have to pay a parking charge of 3,000 rupiah, or 30 cents. So it works out to about $12.30 if there's two of you coming on a scooter.
There is a special parking area for all your motorbikes, which is separate to the parking for all the cars and the buses.
Parking block C. This place is actually really touristy, guys, so like there's shops everywhere, probably any type of clothing that you could get, and also everyone from every country that you could think of as well.
Hopefully there's not too many people at the moment though, so we can get some sick shots. I think the middle of the day is the worst time to come. Really early in the morning is the best, and then sunset can get quite busy.
The area where you actually pay for the tickets and park, you don't actually have to park there because it's still a 200-meter walk to get to the beach, and you can actually just take your scooter all the way down to the beachfront. What do we know?
That might be the temple.
Dilarang Masuk.
No entry.
So I guess this is not the temple. We'll keep searching. We're just gonna follow all the tourists.
Yeah, that one.
It's working so far. Excuse me. Just a couple of tourists coming through. Sorry. There's the temple.
It does exist. So when you come in, guys, just walk past everything right to the end. And there it is. And then you've got to go down the steps to actually get to it.
What's the snake's name?
Johnny.
Johnny. Just as you come down to the temple here, you can get a photo with Johnny the snake, a giant python. Just gave Kim the biggest fright in the world, so the photo looks like that. And there's Johnny the python. $10 Australian to get a photo with Johnny the python. What would you rather do with your afternoon? They give you the fright of your life?
Yeah. You didn't even see it.
Kim absolutely hates snakes, and that was a big one too.
I don't care that he's there holding it. Don't bring it close to me. Don't touch me.
Houston, we have made it to the temple. After all of our searching, we are here. Actually go up into the temple. They have gates just behind us there. Woo! Big waves here too, guys. We successfully got everyone to move so we can get on top of this rock for the photo opportunities. This is probably the closest that you can get to the temple on this side. We're going to go around and see if we can go, because there's a line of people that are going in. I'm going to see if maybe we can get inside the temple. So if you want to feel like a celebrity, you just stand up here. Everyone points their cameras at you. She's just getting a photo opportunity here. Kim down to the bottom being the photographer. I'm up here being the model. Yeah. Because there's no signs to say no drones allowed here, there is quite a few drones. So there's one just up here, and there's another one over there as well. I'm not sure, probably can't see them. One there, another one there.
And we'll be the third.
Yeah, We're gonna try and attempt to put the drone up. You can kind of get up into the temple there. As you can see, the little pathway that just goes up the side there. It does stop just where those people are on the edge though, because there's the gates there, so you can't get any higher. So guys, this is the line for where you come to get holy water sprinkled on you. They do it themselves and then you get a photo as well. I thought that you could actually get in the temple here, but it turns out it's just a line. The only way to actually walk up those stairs back there that I was showing you earlier, you have to get blessed by the
holy sprinkle,
and then you make an offering to actually be able to go up the stairs. We're not going to do that because we believe in Jesus Christ. But that's why drone shots are so cool, man, because they can go where we can't go. You guys still get to see exactly what goes on up the top of the hill there. Now we just get to relax, enjoy this beautiful view, and wait till the sun sets. If you get hungry or you get a little bit peckish, you want some drinks and some snacks, you can actually just come up on the cliff. We've got the temple just in front of us. You just walk up the stairs and follow where it comes, and it actually brings you past all of the different restaurants, and you can just see that you can pick pretty much any restaurant that you want to eat at, and they just sit all on the edge of the cliff here. We just got told to be careful on the edge here.
They'll fall.
We've just had a little bit of a snack for dinner. Kim got a milkshake and I got a burger. The prices here are a little bit more expensive than you would normally get at the cheaper restaurants, so what we're going to do is have a snack now, wait till we get back to Canggu, go to our local cheap place and then get some nice food. That is one fantastic sunset. Doesn't look like we're going to get much of a sunset today. I think we've been robbed. But yeah, we're going to close the vlog off here. We hope you enjoyed coming to Tanah Temple with us. Hope we gave you a bit of an insight into the cost, where it is.
Yeah, everyone says that you should come at low tide so you can actually go to the temple, but you don't actually get to go onto the temple anyway. So I actually think it'd be really awesome to come at high tide and just see it completely covered, inaccessible really.
As an island, awesome. Yeah. If you haven't already, make sure that you smack that subscribe button in the face down below. Leave a like, leave a comment. Other than that, stay safe. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye. This is the greatest day.
We're just walking back to the scooter.
A drop just landed on my nose.
They put down all the umbrellas back where we were sitting and said you got to get out of here real quick because there's a hard rain coming. But we just found this coconut. It's an old coconut as well.
That means you can actually eat it.
The sides are actually thick. All of the young coconuts that we've had have been super thin, eh?
Not like this.
Yum. This whole thing, 2 scoops of ice cream plus the old coconut, 30,000 rupiah, $3 Australian. So we're going to inhale this ice cream and coconut, skedaddle back onto our scooter and then get home hopefully before we get rained on.